picture dictionary with lots of vocabulary. Good morning, kids. I know with my this rhyme, you all will be able to guess that what I am going to teach you today. So my dear students, it's me, Happy Pandya, your English teacher. It's nice to meet you again. This time, your ma'am has come up with some vocabularies using picture dictionary. It will help you to know the words around you. My dear students, do you know what is picture dictionary? But before you know what is picture dictionary, you should know what is dictionary. So, dictionary एक ऐसी बुक होती है जिसमें अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में वर्ड्स अरेंज होते हैं. ये वर्ड्स की मीनिंग बताते हैं एज वेल एज हमें उस वर्ड को कैसे प्रोनाउंस करना है ये भी बताते हैं. सिमिलरली पिक्चर डिक्शनरी एक ऐसी डिक्शनरी है जिसमें पिक्चर्स होते हैं. Do you know? After learning all these words, you will be able to speak better and understand better. So, come with me to explore and learn. Animals. An animal is a living, moving creature. That means animal एक living as well as move करने वाला creature है. Do you love animals? Even मुझे भी animals बहुत क्यूट लगते हैं. But students, as a human, हमें animals के बारे में भी सोचना चाहिए and उन्हें उनकी place भी देनी चाहिए. Here we all are going to talk about the animals that can walk and swim only. So, the first is bear. The bear is a wild animal. You know, students, what are wild animals? The animals that live in the jungle are called wild animals. It has many sizes. इसके बहुत सारे sizes होते हैं. Some bears are big. Some bears are small. They have a small tail. उनकी small सी tail होती है. Now, next we will come to know about blue whale. Blue whale is the world's largest animal. That means पूरे वर्ल्ड में सबसे largest animal blue whale है. It swims in the water. ये water में swim करती है. It is as long as an aeroplane. जितनी लंबी एरोप्लेन होती है ना, उतना ही ज्यादा long है ये. It is very big. It lives in the sea. और ये sea में रहती है. Now, next we come to know about camel. Camel lives in a desert. It helps to carry people and loads in the desert. Students, हम लोग अगर डेजर्ट में जाएंगे इजीली वॉक नहीं कर पाएंगे, बट ये कैमल्स हमारे लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल होते हैं. ये पीपल एज वेल एज लगेज लोड्स को डेजर्ट में कैरी करने के लिए हमारी हेल्प करते हैं. It can live without water for many days and ये without water काफी दिनों तक रह सकते हैं. It has a hump on its back. That means उसके बैक पे एक कुबड़ भी होती है. हम को हम कुबड़ कहते हैं. Next, we will come to know about cat. Cat is a pet animal. Pet animal means पालतू जानवर. It has sharp nails. इसके बहुत sharp nails, बहुत तीखे nails होते हैं. It has fur on its body. You know what is the meaning of fur? जैसे हमारे बॉडीज पे हेयर्स होते हैं, वैसे ही कैट के बॉडी पे हेयर्स होते हैं. और उन हेयर्स को हम फर कहते हैं. बिकॉज फर आर वेरी सॉफ्ट हेयर ऑन द बॉडी ऑफ एनिमल्स. इट इज अ क्यूट एनिमल. नाउ वी विल कम टू नो अबाउट चीता. चीता इज अ लैंड एनिमल. ये लैंड पे रहने वाला एनिमल है. It runs very fast. It has yellow color and black spots. यहाँ आपको जो black color के spots दिखाई दे रहे हैं, जो dots दिखाई दे रहे हैं, यही एक ऐसा symbol है जिससे आप चीता को पहचान सकते हैं. It belongs to a cat family and ये cat family से belong करता है. Now we will come to know about cow. It's a cow. ये एक cow है. It is a domestic animal. It gives us milk. Some cows are white, some are brown, and even some are black in color. Now we will come to know about crocodile. This is a wild animal. It has very strong teeth. It uses its tail to swim. जैसे फिशेस अपने फिन्स यूज करते हैं स्विम करने के लिए, वैसे ही ये क्रोकोडाइल अपने टेल को यूज करता है क्या करने के लिए? स्विम करने के लिए. It eats other animals in lunch. ये बाकी एनिमल्स को लंच में खाता है. Now we are going to talk about giraffe. The giraffe is the tallest animal. It has long legs. It has very strong legs. It lives in the forest. Now we are going to talk about gorilla. Gorilla is a very strong animal. It looks like a giant monkey. ये बहुत बड़े monkey की तरह दिखाई देता है. It has a black color. It is the relative of human. And आपको पता है ये इंसानों का रिश्तेदार है. Now we are going to talk about hare. Hare is a small animal. It looks like a big rabbit. Means एक बड़े rabbit की तरह दिखाई देता है. It has long ears. It can run very fast. Now we are going to talk about hippopotamus. It is a long animal. It has a big nose. It loves to swim in water. People call it hippo as a short name. इससे आप short name में hippo भी बुला सकते हो. Now at last we are going to talk about panda. Panda is a type of bear. That means panda एक type का bear होता है. It has black and white fur on its body. That means उसके body पे black and white fur होते हैं. Fur means जानते हो ना? Soft hairs. It looks so cute. It is also called panda bear. So students, today in this module we have known about 12 animals, and those are bear, blue whale, camel, cat, cheetah, cow, panda, crocodile, giraffe, gorilla, hare, and hippopotamus. So now students, it's time to do a practice time. Let's see and try to understand what's given here. Identify these two animals and write 3 lines on each. अब आपको क्या करना है? इन दोनों एनिमल्स को आइडेंटिफाई करना है. ये कौन से एनिमल्स हैं? As well as हर एनिमल के बारे में आपको 3 lines write करनी है. That's it for today, kids. I hope you have enjoyed this picture dictionary module a lot. Till then, enjoy learning. Wear mask, follow hygiene, maintain social distancing. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.